Ndewonu. Welcome back to Wada Canada, a simple space where we learn Igbo language and culture in a way that is clear and enjoyable. In part 1, Ada learned something exciting: how to say abum, I am, enwerem, I have, achorom, I want. She was happy because she could finally form her first Igbo sentences. But then, Ada asked a new question. Teacher, what if I meet someone? How do I talk to them or ask simple questions? That's exactly what we are learning in part 2. How Ada begins her first real conversations in Igbo. Let's go. Ka anyị gbapụnye ọsọ. Kedu aha gị? What is your name? Ada asked. Teacher, how do I ask someone their name in Igbo? Teacher, say kedu aha gị. Ada, kedu aha gị? Teacher, good. When someone tells you their name, you reply, aha m bụ Ada. My name is Ada. Kedu ka ị dị? How are you? Ada asks again. How do I ask someone how they are doing? Teacher, say kedu ka ị dị. Ada, kedu ka ị dị? Teacher, nice. A common reply is Adim mma. I am fine. Ị nọ ebe? Where are you? Ada, how do I ask where someone is? Teacher, say ị nọ ebe? Ada, ị nọ ebe? Teacher, great. Replies, anọ m n'ụlọ. I am at home. Anọ m n'ọrụ. I am at work. In Igbo conversations, those words are very common. Kedu, what or how. Ebe, where. Now, it's your turn like Ada. Answer this in Igbo. Kedu aha gị? Let's see your reply in the comments. Subscribe, like, share, follow Wada Canada for simple step-by-step Igbo learning made easy. Daalụ.